Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a car detailing service with Detail King, complete guide step by step clearly. First, conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for car detailing in your area. Identify your target customers, such as car enthusiasts, busy professionals, or families with multiple vehicles. Next, choose a business model that suits your style, whether it's mobile detailing, a fixed location, or both. Acquire the necessary licenses and permits required for operating a car detailing business in your state. Then, invest in high-quality detailing products and equipment from Detail King to ensure you deliver top-notch services. Consider enrolling in professional training courses offered by Detail King to enhance your skills and knowledge. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your services, pricing, and marketing strategies. Set competitive prices based on your market research while ensuring they reflect the quality of your work. Create an appealing brand identity, including a business name, logo, and slogan that resonates with your target audience. Establish an online presence by creating a professional website and utilizing social media platforms to reach potential customers. Offer promotional discounts and packages to attract initial clients and drive word-of-mouth referrals. Network with local businesses and automotive shops to create partnerships and gain additional customers. Provide outstanding customer service to encourage repeat business and build a loyal clientele. Regularly gather feedback from customers to improve your services and adapt to their needs. Continuously stay updated on industry trends and new detailing techniques to keep your skills sharp. Finally, be patient and persistent as your business grows, and always look for opportunities to expand your service offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.